y'all, I hope you're doing well. So let's have a closer look, a yarn review on the Mandala or the Mandala Ombré yarn. And I'm probably saying that completely wrong, but this is a really nice self-striping ombre yarn from Lions brand that I absolutely love. Now this is not a new yarn, it's been around for a while. As a matter of fact, I got mine on clearance at Walmart, so you guys can probably find this yarn anywhere. But I do want to make sure I have this on my channel for you guys to see it, just in case you're interested in this yarn and haven't picked it up yet. 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, 344 yards. So that's enough to make you a hat, some socks, even a small scarf. So nice size yarn, a nice amount of yarn. It's a 4-weight yarn and it is acrylic. So that's going to be nice machine washable yarn. It comes in an array of colors. You're looking at on the screen with me, I have the color Pure, but there's 12 different colors that this yarn comes in. Now you have to probably find it in different places, but I know you can get it from Joann's Fabric and also Walmart. Now, I don't want you to confuse this ombre yarn with this regular mandala yarn. This is a different yarn. It's a 3-weight yarn, and it has more yardage with the mandala, just straight mandala yarn. This yarn here is a thicker weight, as you can see here. It's nice and soft. Now the other one's soft too, but this one's just a thicker weight yarn, nice and soft, works up really well. I'm actually making a baby blanket right now using these colors, which is so pretty. And again, like I was telling you, it is an acrylic yarn and it is machine washable. Now look at here, see how nice and soft, it's just so squishy. It's like, I don't know, it's not like any 4-weight acrylic yarn that I felt in a while. Look at how the color kind of goes through the entire skein. That cream color carries all the way through, making it look very much like a hand-dyed yarn, which is what I like. Now you do work this yarn from the center. I found that to be easier. And the strands are nicely woven together. I did not have any issues with splitting or anything like that. I will say though, I prefer to use this yarn sitting still. As I started working the project and the looser the cake became, the yarn kind of started to just unravel, and it made it a lot easier for it to tangle up. So that became a little bit frustrating because it just became so loose. So I would suggest if you just kind of get somewhere, work your project and not kind of tote it all around, just because the yarn, once it starts unraveling from that cake, it does become a little tangly. But this is the way it looks as it's worked up. That's about almost a full skein of yarn. If you look there on the screen, there's still a little bit of light blue and dark blue left, but it really works up really nicely. So this is just a quick overview of the Mandala Ombre yarn from Lions brand. If you have any questions, if you've worked with this yarn, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And I will see you all in my next yarn review in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.